and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this cheap LG phone. I can't get no power out of it, so as far as I'm concerned, it's going to be drop test phone. We're going to do a backdrop at waist height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, looks like I got some nicks around the plastic. Screen isn't cracked, so that's pretty good still. Let's go and get the camera set up and do a side drop. From waist height in 3, 2, 1. The wind blew back up over here, so here's that. Let's see, did it crack? Oh, not. I kind of want to do the face down today, but nope, didn't crack. It definitely hit right here on the side, though. Nothing too bad, actually. Let's go ahead and do the face down. I think this one's going to shatter. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. It didn't crack. Kind of hit more on that little edge right there. Bounced over on this edge maybe. You guys will see because it's slow motion, but not too bad. Let's go and do the backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so it didn't crack again. Got some markings all around the back. I'm going to wipe it down real quick. Camera lens isn't cracked. Let's go ahead and do the side drop. I said the wind is turning. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the back is over here again. The phone isn't cracked. Alright. I'll grab some up there, but it's gonna hit one of these corners. I can't remember which one. I think it hit this one right here. Pretty good though. Let's go and do the face down. Let me grab something to hold this down real quick. Got the back. And it cracked. Nothing too bad though, but it did crack. Let's go ahead and turn these around and do the throw drop. Alrighty. So here we go. Let me swap hands. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Both of those aren't even going to be in slow motion. The wind took it too far away. It did crack a little bit more, it looks like. Nothing too bad. Like I said, there'll be another video, guys, coming out. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.